How to make consistency. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about a very important habit. That habit is consistency. Many people start learning English, exercising, reading books, or learning a new skill. They feel excited on the first day. They work hard for a few days, but after 1 week or 1 month, they stop. Why does this happen? Because starting is easy, but staying consistent is difficult. Today I will tell you a simple story. This story will help you understand the real meaning of consistency. There was a girl named Aisha. She lived in a small village. She had a big dream. She wanted to speak English confidently. Every morning she watched English videos. She learned 10 new words every day. She wrote sentences in her notebook. After 1 week, she felt happy, but after 2 weeks, she became tired. One day she said, "I am not improving. Maybe English is not for me." She wanted to quit. The next day she met her old teacher. The teacher smiled and asked, "Why are you looking sad?" Aisha replied, "I study every day, but I still make mistakes." The teacher picked up a small plant. He asked, "Can this plant become a big tree in 1 week?" Aisha smiled and said, "No." The teacher said, "Then why do you expect your English to become perfect in 1 week?" Aisha stayed silent. The teacher continued, "Every big tree grows little by little. Every successful person improves 1 day at a time. Success is not about being perfect. Success is about showing up every day." These words changed Aisha's thinking. She made one simple rule. I will study for only 20 minutes every day. Not 2 hours, not 5 hours, only 20 minutes. She never missed a day. Some days she learned new words. Some days she listened to English conversations. Some days she read a short story. Some days she only revised old lessons. Slowly, her confidence grew. After 3 months, she understood English better. After 6 months, she started speaking with confidence. After 1 year, people were surprised. They asked, "How did you learn English so well?" Aisha smiled and answered, "I did not become successful in 1 day. I became successful because I never stopped." That is the power of consistency. Now think about your own life. Do you start many things but never finish them? Do you feel excited on Monday but lose motivation by Friday? If your answer is yes, do not worry. You are not alone. Many people depend on motivation, but motivation comes and goes. Consistency stays. Motivation says, "I will work when I feel good." Consistency says, "I will work even when I do not feel like it." That is the difference. Here are 5 simple habits to build consistency. First, make a small goal. Do not say, "I will study 5 hours." Instead say, "I will study for 20 minutes. Small goals are easier to follow. Second, choose one fixed time. Study at the same time every day. Your brain will create a habit. Third, never miss 2 days in a row. If you miss 1 day, start again the next day. Do not wait until next Monday or next month. Fourth, stop comparing yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday's version of you. Small progress is still progress. Fifth, celebrate small wins. If you complete your daily goal, smile. Be proud of yourself. Every small step brings you closer to your dream. Remember this: a river cuts through a rock, not because it is powerful, but because it flows continuously. The same is true for your dreams. Small actions repeated every day create big results. So whether you want to learn English, become a teacher, start a business, lose weight, or achieve any goal, keep going. Some days will be easy, some days will be difficult, but never stop. Your future is built by what you do every day, not by what you do once. So, start today. Do one small task. Repeat it tomorrow. Repeat it next week. Repeat it next month. One day people will call you successful. They will not see your daily struggles. They will only see your success. but you will know the secret. The secret is consistency. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple English stories. See you in the next video.